In this video, I'll show you how to create A+ content on Amazon KDP. Of course, we want to go to our Kindle Direct Publishing, and I'd assume there's a certain book or ebook that you want to add the A+ content to. So let's go up to Marketing on the top right. And in the Marketing section, you'll see A+ content, and you're welcome to check out the options here in blue on the left, but we're going to go to the right. And we are going to choose Amazon.com as our marketplace. That is fully up to you. Then click on Manage A+ Content. Alright, so I don't have an actual product, so I won't have an ASIN. But if you do, you just want to put in that ASIN, or you can just hit Start Creating A+ Content, which is what I'm going to do here. Now we need to put in the content name and language. And then we'll begin adding the content. So let's go to the editor and click on Add Module. Now you can choose from these options here. So I'll just pick any one. So on the left, we can add our image just by clicking over here. And then you can drag and drop your images. Headline, of course, is going to be the headline or the title. And then a little bit of a descriptor of whatever you need, maybe describing the image or describing a certain chapter of the book. It's all up to you. Then if we need to, we can keep adding more modules. And when you're done setting it up, you can go to preview and you can see what it's going to look like on a desktop and on mobile. Alright, so now we need to apply that ASIN. So you can just get your ASIN for your specific product. Of course, I don't have a book, so mine won't appear here. All of your various options will appear here, and you just need to choose one, and then you're going to go to top right and review and submit. So on the submit section, it'll just be showing you everything, how everything is going to look. It's the final step before Amazon has to actually approve your A+ content. So that is all I've got for you today. I hope I managed to get you into the right spots to find out how to set up your A+ content. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.